Hey, it's Rob, and welcome to Axel's Garage. We are still in the kitchen repairing things on the heater core box. Really? As soon as I start. Anyway, we're in the kitchen making repairs. As we were getting the heater core box and cleaning it up, something that wasn't broken, that we didn't break taking it apart, was this blend door. And what this door does is this door diverts the air either up into your defrosters or down into your heat. And it's vacuum actuated and it just goes up and down, and it's a rusty metal door. What we did notice on it though was there were staples, and I'll show you the front side of the staple. You can see one right here, right? And then you see the back side that it is in fact a staple. So you had one here, and you had one here and one here. And what we noticed was there was no rust here. Well, there was just a little bit of rust here, very, very little. Where the rest of the door was bare metal and it's rusty. So there was two staples here, and there was nothing there. So what we're thinking is there was some kind of gasket or foam or something that disintegrated over the 29, 30 years that truck has been around. And that's why you don't have the rust there that you do everywhere else, because it was covered. So I took the staples out of these top ones, and all I did was I just took a pair of needle nose and I bent them and I took them out. And I cut a little piece of foam. And this is just the self-stick foam where the stick backing had come off. And I'm just what I think it is, and that is my wife washing a pot of chili in the background. What I think it is just so that when the door opened and shut, it didn't make a noise. It doesn't really seal the air off because there is airflow that goes above and below on the sides of this thing. So I don't know if it's going to matter. I really have no idea. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this little piece of foam. We're going to take the original staples that I have right here that I kind of straightened out as best as I could, and we're going to pop them through and see if I could get these staples in. Alright, so I got one to pop through. I'm going to grab the other one, pop it through. Tell you, it's not as easy to pop a used staple through something as I thought it would be. Apply it for help. Okay, we're going to pop it through. Now we got the staples through, we got the foam on there. I'm going to cinch down those staples. Tell you, it was a lot easier to remove the staple than get the staple back on. Okay, so I got those staples bent over. I'm just going to take a pair of shears. And cut. And now what we have is a piece of foam where we think a piece of foam would have went originally. I don't know. The way it looks from seeing how the door operates, this can't hurt. So I think we're okay. I don't know if this really mattered at all, but it can't hurt. And this should be, hopefully, our last repair. And now we can get that box assembled. And the next video should be our final video and getting this box assembled. We're going to go out there. We're going to clean all the scourge from the inside of the box, which is dust and 30 years worth of dust and leaking antifreeze. Clean it all up, and then we'll continue in the next and hopefully final video with the assembly and installation of the heater core in the Big Dummies K5 Blazer. All right, hope you enjoyed this last repair video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, and if you like what we're doing here at Axel's Garage, even hearing my wife wash a chili pot in the background while the dogs bark at each other. Subscribe to our channel, and as always, thanks for watching.